So, hey everyone, how are you?
Great, sir.
Good. So, we are going to start this program, Build for Community Apprenticeship 2023. It is a 2 month mentorship program, and the main motive behind this program is to empower our aspiring developers. And we do have two tracks in this program, one is Android, and another is web. So I am the organizer of GDG Jammu and your Android mentor for this program. And I will start with a basic Android, and then we will move forward to the advanced Android concept and the latest concept like Jetpack Compose, coroutines, and latest Android architect. Even you can talk about the accessibilities. Then we will also introduce
And we will also introduce.
and yeah, even if you're interested in material you, then we will also introduce you to that concept as well. So the main idea behind this program is to build an app for the community, and I and Atul will be mentoring you. Okay, and we are also expecting that you are also a bit familiar with the GitHub and Git, as we are going to use this platform for the open source development, and we are also sharing our repository with you. So we expecting you to push your codes at the GitHub that at the regular interval, so that we can monitor your progress and guide you about the program. And in case you have any doubt regarding the development, then you can just we will create a specific WhatsApp group for the two tracks. One will be the Android and other is web. So yeah, that's all. And in the this app development, or you can say in this website development, it is all about the GTG, right? So it will be okay. Wait a second. So we will create this portal for the whole GDG platform, and we will try to share this with the Google as well. That is Google Developer Group. So you might be get featured for this program as well. So please make sure if you're wanted to be the part of this program. So please make an effort for it. Plus, and one more thing, we are also I want to be clear about it that we are looking for the students that or really need this program, right? We are not looking for the professional developers or any person who are doing job in some companies, right? We are only specific looking for the students who need this mentorship. Like there is plenty of resources available for everyone, but we do want to give chances to the one that they really deserve. So that's the main motivation behind this program. So I think you really deserve that. And I mostly talk about the Android. So let's move over to Atul for their web track, and then we will move forward. Okay.
Hey everyone, I'm Atul Sharma, and I'm going to be your mentor for web development. To introduce myself, currently I'm working in Infosys, and till now I have worked for almost 3 years in IT. And right now, also I'm working on one of my own project with a client from the UK. So in that I'm using web and a few other things for the backend. That I will explain in later upcoming days. And so here our main part would be to develop the backend and also the front end for the GDG website. And it's going to be, as Abhinandan told, it's going to be open source, and so the other GDGs can also use that. So let's work together and hope we succeed in this. Thank you. Over to you, Abhinandan.
Okay. So we are going to shortlist based on the basis of your resume, but just to give extra points to everyone, we will start to give you 2 minutes for your introduction, and just say your introduction in 2 minutes, and we will be add extra points for you as well. Okay. So we will start alphabetically, right? So I will first start with Abhishek Gupta. Hey Abhishek. See one thing, if you're trying to get mentorship or any in any field, you have to communicate, right? If you're not able to communicate with other or express your other, then how you can expect other to mentor you? So if you're coming here, please do speak. अभिषेक, अपनी 2 मिनट में इंट्रोडक्शन आप दे सकते हो? हाँ, कोई बात नहीं. ओके ओके. And even one more thing, don't consider language is any barrier for you. If you're comfortable in English or Hindi, both will work. Okay, no issue. Okay. I will move on to Amit. अमित, आप अपनी इंट्रोडक्शन दे सकते हो? अमित कत्री.
Yeah, hey, Abhinandan.
Hi.
Hello, Atul. I'm at this side. So I have been working as a front-end developer majorly, working on Angular from 5 years. Basically, I'm in this industry. I've been working. I've started my career in 2018. Until now, I'm just working work from home. I have got plenty of opportunities to work with multiple projects. I have worked with majorly, I would say, mean stack. So, major experience with Angular, but yeah, I got opportunity to work with Node.js as well.
Nice.
Yeah.
And what are your expectations from this program?
Just I see learnings.
Okay. Thank you, Amit. And now we will move forward to Arush Sharma. Hey, Arush.
Yes, sir. So, sir, myself Arush Sharma. Sir, I'm studying in MIT Jammu. Sir, I've just started this programming things a few months ago, but I'm very curious about it. I have started with the C language, and I have taken CSC programming in college, and I've not worked a lot in this field right now, but I'm very curious about it. So I'm just here to learn about I have enrolled in for web development in this program. So that's it.
Nice, Arush. And Atul, do you want to ask anything to him?
Means what's the expectation, Sarush? Means like right now we are going to means do you have any experience in HTML or in Android side, or you want to learn HTML or Android? Means how you are going to proceed? I think Arush muted. Hey, Arush.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I was asking means what are your expectations from this program, Arush? Like you are going to be the web dev, or you are going to the Android side? And
Sir, I'm going to the web development side. Sir, I have just started this. In this program, मेरे को बस मतलब कि वेब डेवलपमेंट का मतलब मेरे को बस सीखना है कि कैसे क्या चीज़ें हो रही हैं मुझे बस स्टार्ट लेना है बट मतलब मैं कर लूँगा बट ऐसे बस कुछ वो चाहिए कि मतलब कैसे क्या चीज़ें करनी तो एक स्टार्ट चाहिए.
Good.
okay.
Okay. And next is Daksh. Hey, Daksh.
Yes. Hello everyone, my name is Daksh. मैं माइट जम्मू में हूँ. मैं CSC ब्रांच में हूँ. तो मैं ये वेब डेवलपमेंट के लिए ज्वाइन किया मैंने. आई एम ऑल्सो फ्रॉम द गूगल डेवलपर ग्रुप. मैं माइट में कोऑर्डिनेटर हूँ. तो मेरे मैक्सिमम फ्रेंड्स मैंने वहीं से ऐड करवाए उनके मीटिंग में. तो मैं वेब डेवलपमेंट में एनरोल कर रहा हूँ. मुझे थोड़ी बेसिक नॉलेज है, लाइक HTML मैंने कर रखा है, स्कूल में भी मैंने किया हुआ था, और CSS भी मैंने थोड़ी कर रखी है. तो मैं थोड़ा सोच रहा था थोड़ा एडवांस तरीके से सीखने को मिलेगा, इसलिए मैंने ये ज्वाइन किया. थैंक यू.
Thank you, Daksh. And next is Diljit.
Hi everyone, my name is Diljit, BC student at GGM Science College, Jammu, and basic front-end web developer.
Okay, so you have any expectation from this program?
हाँ सर, थोड़ा और सीखना चाहता हूँ.
So after learning क्या मतलब क्या बनाना क्या चाहते हो? कोई वेबसाइट कोई दिमाग में कोई है बनाना इसके बाद लर्न करने के बाद? मतलब कोई
हाँ सर, ई-कॉमर्स.
तो किस मतलब कौन सी वेबसाइट ज़्यादा इंस्पायर करती है? मतलब UI बेसिक्स पे या परफॉर्मेंस बेसिक्स पे जो इंस्पायर करती है कि हाँ वैसी ही वेबसाइट मैं बनाऊंगा, आइडिया के लिए, इंस्पायर के लिए कुछ ऐसा?
सर आइडिया के लिए तो ऐसे वेबसाइट तो है, पर मतलब मैं सोचता हूँ कि खुद से बनाऊंगा, मतलब ऐसे खुद का UI से।
सो मतलब कोई इंस्पायरेशन नहीं है कि बिल्कुल रियल सोचा हुआ है कि मैं यूनिक ही कोई वेबसाइट
हाँ।
बनाऊंगा, ऐसा काइंड ऑफ।
जी जी सर।
बट
नाम भी यूनिक ही होगा उसका,
चलो, ऑल द बेस्ट।
जो आपने बोला।
Okay, okay. All the
जी
best,
सर।
Dheeraj. All the best. Okay. And next is Dheeraj Soni. Okay, so I go ahead, Dheeraj.
Hello everyone. Thank you for this. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself, sir. I am Dheeraj Soni. Currently, I am doing Master of Computer Application from Lucknow University. I did BSc in Mathematics from Bundelkhand University. I did schooling in Science from DAV Inter College. My skills are including like Kotlin, Java, and currently I am learning Python and networking from the Cisco. It is free on the website Skills for All, and that's it.
Good.
Thank you.
So we already talked about before the session with the Dheeraj, and he is sharing his Android experience as well. So I will move forward to Divyan.
Hi guys, this side Divyan Sharma, and I'm from MIT Jammu, currently pursuing BTech CSE, and I'm looking forward to web development as I think it is my field of interest. I don't have any previous knowledge about it, but I think this is the best way I can gain knowledge and do something about in this field.
Okay, so any expectation?
Thank you. Yes, sir.
Any
Sorry.
expectation?
Yes, sir, yes, an aspiring web developer.
Okay.
I can say, yeah.
That's all right. Okay. And next is
Yes, sir.
Fagun Mahajan. Hi, Fagun.
Hello everyone. I am Fagun Mahajan. I have been working as a Monstack developer in every software company. I did my MCA from Jammu University. I want to learn Android development.
Okay, so you are basically a web developer and want to try your hands on in Android as well, right?
Yes, sir.
So do you have any inspiration why you choose Android after trying your web development, right?
I want to learn Android. I just want to learn.
Why you really want to build an Android application?
Sorry?
I mean is, do you just try to see how things work is Android, or do you really want to develop an Android application after learning this program or after becoming part of this program?
I want to learn Android and I want to make application.
Right.
Okay.
So do you have any app in your mind for the inspiration?
अभी तो नहीं है, but
Okay.
मैं सीख के फिर क्रिएट करना चाहती हूँ.
ठीक है, तो so next to Himanshu.
Hello everyone, I'm a pre-final student at VITULO and I have experience in app development of around 1.5 years. I have developed that using Flutter and also in native. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, so any expectation or you any inspiration for after learning this program? Do you want to develop any application, certain type of application, or just for fun?
Basically, like after a point it gets kind of repetitive in app, like there's an API and there's like you just fetch and cache the data, and that's also like I just want to work on more core topics, like if we can learn through this program, like working on sensors and other things, using some core libraries, interacting with hardware.
Okay, and anything that inspire you, like you're talking about the latest trends and latest technology related to Android, right? So you're more interested. Can you specify any certain topic you want to introduce in this program? Like, wait a second. Like we are assuming we will
Like
talk about coroutines, Jetpack Compose, and then architecture and accessibility material. So apart from these, do you have anything in your mind?
I'm really fascinated by like how app interacts with the sensors. So like if we can integrate how we can sensors or like text to speech. Also, that's a topic I've been like I presented an idea in Ideathon and it like included text to speech. But that comes under accessibility, I guess.
Hmm.
So like these two topics.
Okay, good. And
Thank
next, thank you, Himanshu. And next is Hitesh Mahajan.
Yeah, hi everyone. My name is Hitesh Mahajan. I am currently doing BTech in CST from UIT Katua. I have learned basics of front-end web development, and through this program, I want to learn more about web development, and so that I can build more projects website. Thank you.
Nice, Hitesh. And over to you, Atul, for as he is interested in web. So you can, if you want to ask anything.
Yeah, Hitesh, the same question is, what are your expectations from this program?
Basically, I want to learn more about web development as well as backend, so that I can build more websites and projects that can be useful.
Okay. And till now, have you built any projects?
Yeah, I am currently building my portfolio website as well with the basic of front end.
Okay. That's good. Yeah, Hitesh.
Okay, so next is Ishu Sharma.
Hello everyone, I am Ishu Sharma, currently a graduating student from Sri Mata Vaishno Devi University. Through my internships, I have hands-on experience in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React.js. And I opted for Android development as I wanted to create my own Android and iOS app for my father who is doing his own business. So that's why I opted for Android development.
Good. So you're saying कि you want to develop an application for Android as well as iOS. So
yes, sir.
In this course, we are all talk about basic native Android development, right? We are not talking about we are not going to introduce Flutter for cross-platform development. So,
Okay, no worries, sir. I am fine with Android as many people use Android these days.
So,
Android is much on use.
So have you created any application?
Sir, I have not made any application for Android development, but I have made some websites for web development as a cloning website for my doctor apps, etc. For learning purposes.
Great. And apart from Android application, so you know the basics, right? So you are familiar.
No, sir. I have no understanding of Android application as of now. For to gain the understanding, I come to you.
Okay. So any program languages you use?
Sir, I have used Java for let's say 4 to 5 months.
Okay. And do you have any idea about Kotlin?
Sir, what?
Kotlin language.
No, sir.
Okay. So actually, right now, Kotlin is most preferred language for the Android. But you can also develop applications using Java, even C++ and Python as well. So okay, if you're comfortable with Java, we will start with the little bit concept from the Java and then move forward to Kotlin, right? Okay.
Yes, sir. Of course.
So you're from Jammu, right?
Yes. No, sir. I am from Amritsar. I am studying in Jammu.
Okay, great.
As I have said, I am a graduating student.
Right.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, and the next is Karan.
Hello, good morning, sir. My name is Karan Kirti Sharma, and I am a fresher student at MIT Jammu and doing CSE AIML. And I am I want to learn some web development, and I'm new to this all HTML and all, but I'll assure you that I'll do my best.
Good. So Atul, do you have any?
Karan, are you
Yes, sir.
learning? Are you learning right now? Means HTML, CSS, or something for web dev?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm learning that.
Okay. Till now, have you created anything like a simple hello world page itself, or something like that?
No, sir. I'm not that much into web development, but I just want to do so, like create some websites. That's why I'm currently learning it, but I assure you that I'll do my best.
Okay. Next, Muhammad Shakir. Muhammad. You are not audible. I mean, is it just for me?
No. It is his. Hi, Mohammed. If you can hear us, please type your message in chat. Okay. Let's move on to other. Nandit.
Hello, good morning, everyone. Myself, Nandit. I'm a first-year student in MIT. I have completed my higher education from RM Public School. I've got my interest in computer science and engineering from class 10th. And so I have learned HTML, CSS, and a little bit of Java in 10th standard only. Then I have got interest in artificial intelligence and machine learning. Then I have opted computer science in my higher classes, 11th and 12th. Now I have good command in Python language. And now I'm a student I have took admission in MIT, doing BE in computer science engineering, and expecting to get more knowledge about this field and getting a good opportunity to do so.
Great, Nandit. Great.
Yes.
Okay, so
Nandit?
yeah.
Nandit, what are your expectations from this program? You told that you are learning something that you didn't tell.
I'm expecting a better version of myself in communication skills and in language commands as well.
Like means, are you going for Android or are you going for web?
Yes, sir, Android, of course.
Okay. So, do you have any prior experience with Android?
No, sir, not yet. I'm using Android phone only, and there are still some lots of bugs and issues in some applications. I don't want them to be in future.
Okay. So, can you just share your any application where you find some awkward word and anything?
Yeah, sir. None of them is perfect. Like Instagram, it has a lot of bugs. Snapchat has WhatsApp.
I understand.
And even the mobile applications, it also don't work properly sometimes. It has a lot of issues.
Can you explain what type of bug? I mean, it is a visual bug or it is performance bug? I'm talking about that point.
That's a visual bugs.
Can you explain anyone?
It has a sometimes it lags behind or it flashes the screen.
Okay, so imagine
I can't recall right now, but there are. I'll tell you later.
Okay. So after learning this program, so you are going to develop any application. Do you have any idea about it? Anything?
Yes, sir. I'm interested in creating applications. Still getting knowledge about what to create. I'm gaining knowledge about creativity. I'm trying to get सोच रहा हूँ अभी कि नॉलेज ले रहा हूँ कि क्या क्या चीज़ें नहीं हैं जो ज़रूरत है आगे। तो वो सर साथ साथ में 4 साल हैं, अभी 4 साल में तब तक साथ साथ करते करते हो जाएगा।
सो अभी आप कौन सी लैंग्वेज यूज़ कर रहे हो? और पाइथन जैसे आपने पहले बताया मुझे।
अभी सर पाइथन मेरी कमांड है, मेरे को जेंगो पाइथन जो है वो मैं लर्न कर रहा था, लेकिन अभी इतना फिर कॉलेज स्टार्ट हो गए तो कॉलेज में अभी हम सी स्टार्ट किया, तो सी भी मैं अभी कर रहा हूँ साथ साथ।
तो एंड्रॉयड के लिए आपको
उसमें मैं कमांड बना लूँगा।
ठीक है, तो एंड्रॉयड के लिए आपको पता होगा अभी के लिए तो हम कॉटलिन यूज़ कर रहे हैं, या बीच में जावा भी है यूज़ कर रहे हैं जो अभी ओल्ड डेवलपर्स हैं। तो उसके अलावा मतलब इसका इंट्रोडक्शन है आपको जावा एंड कॉटलिन का लैंग्वेज में?
सर जावा का है, जावा मैंने सीखी थी थोड़ी सी, लेकिन मेरे को अभी इतनी अच्छी कमांड नहीं है उसमें, तो सी के साथ साथ मैं जावा भी सीख लूँगा जैसे जैसे मेरे को थोड़ा थोड़ा बीच में टाइम मिलता है।
मतलब जावा नहीं सीखनी है आपको, अगर एंड्रॉयड स्पेसिफिक अगर जा रहे हो स्पेशली नेटिव डेवलपमेंट में, देन यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन कॉटलिन।
हाँ ये सर।
ओके ग्रेट नंदित,
थैंक यू।
नेक्स्ट इज परीक्षा शर्मा। Palkash, I'm not able to pronounce her name. Atul, can you?
Yeah, it's same for here, Plaksha.
Plaksha.
Sorry if I'm
Okay.
pronouncing wrong.
Hi.
Good morning, everyone. This is Plak. I am pursuing computer science engineering with majors in artificial intelligence and machine learning from MIT, Jammu. I opted for web development because I want to create a website of my own because I'm planning to start an organization. So I want full control of the website that I'll be using for the organization. So I have just started HTML from Free Code Camp, and other programming language that I know are C and C++. Also, I'm currently learning Python. That's it.
Plaksha, if you are going for web development, means why you are going for Python?
What?
Means if you're going to learn web development or you're going to be web developer, so why are you going with Python along with HTML and CSS? Is there any specific reason for that?
Because Python is currently like at its peak. Like it's being used in the industry for too many things, and it's very valuable. And I was thinking I should know it at least.
Okay. Means if you're going with HTML, CSS, you should also go with JavaScript. So means that combination is better.
Okay.
Yeah, Plaksha, thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Hey, Pralin.
Good morning, sir.
Hi, Pralin.
Sir, myself Pralin Khera, third year Electronics and Communication Engineering from GCT Jammu, and I have worked as web developer in freelancer.com with more than 32 freelance projects and even more web apps on my GitHub portfolio. So you can check it out there. And I am more of an ethical hacker with skill sets like Angular, CSS, HTML, JavaScript, PHP, and basics of Kotlin, Golang, and C and C++. So I have even participated in Kavach 2K23 and developed our anti-phishing solution, and it was sort of a web app, तो वहाँ पे web development use हुई थी.
So right now आपने मतलब वेब टैग सेलेक्ट किया है या एंड्रॉयड?
सर किया तो एंड्रॉयड है, बट मतलब मेरे को वो करना था, चेंज करनी थी फील्ड, मतलब लाइक एंड्रॉयड में भी थोड़ा सा एक्सपोजर चाहिए था.
So you want to aspire to be an Android developer as well, right?
Yes, sir.
So just imagine a scenario if you have to create any ethical hacking app for the Android. So how
Yes,
will you
sir.
start?
So taking on the vulnerabilities of Android, like the new Android version and their vulnerabilities. For example, we can create backdoors so that they can be invisible sort of. So बाद में we can use them to access the information.
Okay. So do you have any prior experience with Android?
Sir, basics of Kotlin. मतलब lead code पे I have solved about 13 to 14 questions of Kotlin that I found easy.
Okay, so you have any experience in developing Android application?
No, sir.
So you know.
That's what I want.
Okay, so you know basic about the Kotlin, and you want to try your hands in developing application what you have learned from Kotlin, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. Next is Radhe.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. I'm Radhe. I'm a CSC student at MIT. I have basic knowledge about Python, C, Bash, HTML, CSS. I have opted for a web development program. I really want to learn about web and make interactive portfolio for myself. Yeah, that's my.
So Atul.
Radhi means is any website till now on which you have worked, or any website which inspires you?
There was one project that I have created on my GitHub. It was just off-the-shelf template that I tweaked for myself and created stuff for me.
Okay. Means you have the basic knowledge how to work with HTML.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, Radhi.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Radhe. And next is Rajesh. Hi, Rajesh.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, so we are just
Hello.
just
Yes, sir.
Just give your introduction.
Sir, I'm Rajesh. Yet I am at present I am working here in AVI Softwares at Jammu. Sir, I am at present I am working on web applications like I have created my working on an e-commerce website.
Nice.
So basically, I'm using React.js and for backend Node.js, and that's it, sir. Wanted to work in the inside, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Also want to work in Android development like this.
Okay, so you're basically
Sir.
you are a web developer and you want to learn Android, right?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So do you have any prior experience?
Yes, sir. I have, sir. Only I am here in AVI Softwares from last 3 months, and before that I was I had done an internship here. So yes, sir. That's it.
Okay, so I think you interpreted my question in a wrongly way. I'm talking about do you have any prior experience in Android? Have you ever tried developing
No,
application? Okay.
no. Yes, sir. I am. I tried by my own. Sir, I was using React Native.
Okay.
But sir, yes, sir. Not yet.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Rajesh.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
And next is Rizwan.
Yeah, good morning, everyone.
Right, good morning.
I'm Rizwan, a BCA student from Sabot College, University of Rajasthan.
Nice.
I'm from District Rajouri, Jammu and Kashmir, and I'm looking forward to join the web development course with Atul sir. Yes.
There is one. Yeah, first of all, I'm also living near Rajouri itself. I'm from Bamla, if you might know.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So, Razman, have you any prior experience in development?
Sir, I haven't worked with any organization yet, but I was the winner in this Aqua Regia hackathon hosted by University of Rajasthan. Apart from this, I was the finalist in AceHack 2.0. Yeah, that was my prior tech experience. But I would say I'm more into this entrepreneurship than this tech side.
Means by experience, I meant that means you have worked with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have some basic knowledge about this. I'm working on my own project. I have developed my portfolio before. Yes.
And do you have any experience with backend, like creating APIs? And
No, sir. I'm not. I have not worked the backend part yet, but I know the basic part of front end.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Rasmus.
Thank you. So next is Rishita. Hi, Rishita.
Hello, sir. Good morning, everyone. My name is Rishita Sharma. I'm from Jammu and I am currently pursuing my engineering from Government College of Engineering and Technology, Jammu in Electronics and Communication. I'm a second year student and I opt for Android program.
So do you have any prior experience in Android? Have you tried developing an application, anything?
No, sir.
Okay, so any programming?
Android because I want to learn.
Okay, I understand.
Android.
Do you have any experience in programming?
Yes, sir. I know some basics of HTML and CSS.
And any other programming languages like Java, Kotlin, Python, anything else?
So Java, some basics of JavaScript.
Okay, so you know about object-oriented programming, right? Basics of that, classes and all.
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. So after learning this Android, so what do you want to develop? Do you have any idea? Any application you want to develop? Anything that inspire you to be an Android developer?
No, sir. Sir, right now I don't have any idea. But in future, sir, I will make sure I develop a good program, application and some programs.
Okay, so one last query I have. Do you have any experience with GitHub and Git?
No, sir.
Okay.
Not yet.
No issue. And next is Rohan. Hey, Rohan.
Yeah. Hello. Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Am I audible?
Yeah, perfect.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm a first sem student in MIT Jammu in BE CSC AIML. And sir, to be very honest, I am very new to this world of programming. And till now, I have just gone through the syntax of C programming, and also, I also have a good command over like Python that I had been taught in my 11th, 12th standard. And so I opted for web development because I'm interested in that like over Android. And I'm a beginner, so maybe I'll get some more knowledge about this field. That's why I joined this.
Rohan, have you started learning web development from somewhere, like basics or HTML?
No, sir. I am a beginner. As I said, I don't have any like knowledge about these things, and I just heard the GitHub name like in this class only.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's learn together then. Yeah.
Thank you, Rohan.
Thank you, sir.
And next is Saksham.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. Myself, Saksham Singh Jampur. I am from Jammu. I have currently enrolled as a fresher in MIT Jammu. I have opted for BE Computer Science AIML. I would like to learn about web development from the very basic. I have learned C++ on the basic level from school. Thank you.
Nice section. Atul.
I think he's completely fresher, so I'm not getting any more questions. So, yeah.
Okay. Thank you, section.
Thank you, section.
So,
Thank you, sir.
So next move on to Saurabh.
So, hello everyone. This is Saurabh Mishra, currently pursuing my BCA from GGM Science College, Jammu. Apart from this, I am a freelance web development, majorly working in React and Next.js. Apart from this, I am also an open source enthusiast, recently ranked 27 in Girls Script Summer of Code. Also, I am working on 2 startups along with my friends. But for this apprenticeship program, I have opted for Android.
Okay. So, do you have any prior experience in Android?
No, not in Android.
Okay. So, what are your expectations from this program?
So, as I already tell you, I am a freelance and also working with startups, own startups. So, I think it's better to know about Android also, so that I can help other people. क्योंकि majorly जो हमारी team है वो students की है.
Okay, to everyone, he's also part of our GDG Jammu team as well. So he also want to learn Android, right? Okay, thank you, Saurabh. And next is Swapnil.
Hello everyone.
Hi.
I am Swapnil Mishra. I'm currently pursuing my BTech CSC from SMBDU. Currently I'm in 4th year of my BTech and I'm a UI UX designer right now. I'm intern at Grey Feathers Limited and want to learn like web development for my things like I design websites, so I really want to know how a developer or like sees my website and goes forward to develop it. Like that will help developers that will design my websites for them more. From a perspective of developer, things are different, and that's what I want to learn. And if if I
next, Utkarsh.
Hello, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Utkarsh Mishra. I'm a third year MTech Integrated Software Engineering student from VIT Chennai, and it's been a year and so for me to develop Android applications. And so, during this tenure, I have worked on multiple projects, including the one I developed. My mother is a headmistress, so I developed an application for her. Like she's a government headmistress at a government school. So I made a quiz app for her school as well as some neighboring schools, and it was a great success, and everyone was very happy with it. And apart from it, I have worked on multiple projects. I even have patented one of my projects that goes by the name of Cloud Cart. So, which is basically what we'll say. It basically enables us to make the transaction thing in the supermarkets and everything easier and automated. And apart from it, currently I'm interning at Innovator Infotech in Noida as a penetration tester, web penetration tester. And it's been 15 days since I've joined here. So I'll be working here for next 45 days or so. It is a 2-month internship. And I'm looking forward to develop some good apps. And till now, I've worked solely and individually on every project. And I want to just grow my network and learn from everyone else. So yeah, that's my motive.
Great, Utkarsh. You have a very good profile. So you're talking about you have developed application for your mother, right? As kind of quiz application.
Yeah.
So when did you develop that application?
Yeah. It's not long back. It's been 2 months or 3 months something.
Okay, so you know about the latest trends, right? So what kind of trends you have?
Yeah,
used?
I do.
So anything specific you have implemented in that application? You want to say?
Yeah, basically most of the quiz app, they enable us to get all the statically defined questions. Like in this one, the teacher gives new questions and they are reflected in the in the side of students, and students can can attempt them, and it is totally automated. The checking and the grading and everything is automated, so it cannot be like fluctuated on teachers' end as well as on students' end. And like since everything is automated, the grading is fair, and like you can give the quiz once only, and if the second option is there, you have to contact the teacher through the app itself, and like it has multiple other features as well.
So I will talk about bit technically. So how do you have a two login panel for the individual login for the admin and the you kind of say students, or you have any specific backend for your application?
Yeah. For that, I have basically two types of accounts in it. One for teachers and one for students.
Okay.
And students register under one of the like class teacher. We have this like thing like class teacher, na. So students register under their class teacher's ID. And when a teacher uploads a quiz, it can be either of English, it can be either of math. It doesn't depend on the subject, so it can be of any subject. And the students can see all the quizzes uploaded by teachers, not only the class teacher, but all other subject teachers as well. And like for backend, I have used Firebase real-time database as well as Firebase storage. And for the front end, it's like XML and Java. Java is the base language for it.
Okay, so you have developed application in Java.
Yeah.
Right, perfect.
I have knowledge of Java for about 5 years as of now. So I learned Java from class 9 till now. So it's a learning process since then.
Okay, so do you have any idea? Are you having in mind to shift your language in Kotlin?
Yeah, I even started with the basics of Kotlin. I did till arrays and loops. Then I didn't got time to like move further.
No issue. Thank you, Utkarsh.
Yeah.
And
Thank
next
you.
is VM.
Good morning to everyone. So my name is Vishwan Mansotra. Currently doing computer science engineering from UIT Kathua, and I have opted for web development tag. I know a little bit about HTML and CSS, and I have started for cloning the Amazon website. I have done the taskbar task of this website, and I want to advance my level in web development, so I opted for web development course.
Okay, Vishwan, thank you. Vishwan, means have you done any proper websites like anything unique for yourself till now?
No, I have not developed any website till now, but I will sure make in future.
Okay, Vishwan. Thank you, Vishwan.
Okay, next is Vansh. Hey, Vansh. Can you hear us, Vansh?
Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
My name is Vansh Gupta. I am from MIT Jammu, fresher there. I'm just new to these things like coding, वगैरह.
So you are interested in which track, Vansh?
Web development.
Okay. So Atul, do you have any questions?
Vansh, have you? Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Yeah, Vansh, have you started learning web development till now?
No, sir. Just new to these things.
Oh, okay, means have you just wrote your first HTML file or something like that, or you have not started?
No, sir.
Okay, so next is virtual.
Hi Atul and I'm sorry, Abhinandan here.
Okay.
Hello.
Hi.
Am I audible?
Perfect.
Yes, you are audible.
Okay. So, matlab, I'm Vatsal. I'm currently studying in second year of IT, and actually till now I have not done any development part because I'm currently learning that basics of lead code, those problem patterns and all that. So in Python, so I actually know only Python. I can shift to any other language pretty easily, but my main language is Python only. Other than that, I have actually very high expectations from Atul sir, because all the materials are available on Udemy and all that. But that mentorship is more valuable than that material for study material. Yeah, so that's it.
Yeah, but sir, can you please just tell me your full name actually? It's just VM, and there is one
Yeah,
more.
it's okay. It's Vatsal Mawani.
Mawani. Okay.
Yeah, I sent you actually email regarding some of doubts, but I didn't get any reply. I directly got the invitation.
Okay.
Okay.
I mean, you have mailed on our GDG mail or directly to me or Abhinandan?
GDG.
Okay. Don't worry. When did you send an email?
Sorry?
When did you send an email?
Yesterday, around 10:30.
Okay. I just wait for 24 hours. We will get back to you very soon.
Oh, yeah, actually it was pretty late at night, so understandable.
Okay. And the last one is Vishwas. Which one?
Abhinandan, I think Vishwan we have done. Vatsal is remaining.
Okay, yes.
I am only the last one.
No.
Okay, you're only that Vatsal. Okay.
Okay, there is plenty of candidates that joined after this meet. So I think there is Abhishek Gupta haven't speak with us. Abhilasha recently joined us, and then there is few. Akansha, I don't think so. So those who have left, please start with your introduction so that we can note down that you have attended this session.
Hello, sir.
Hi, Abhishek.
Abhishek Gupta here, sir. I am currently pursuing BTech in CSC from UIT Kathua. I am currently in 4th year. I am basic knowledge of C, C++, and in Python. I have currently attended summer camp at IIT Jammu on data science. And I am new to Android development.
Okay, so you are interested in Android, right?
Yes. My friend also makes 2 or 3 apps, so we to join this and try Android development.
Okay, so do you have any inspiration, any motivation behind this Android?
Not, sir. At the Day Fest, I saw Pawan Kumar, sir.
Yeah.
His app, portfolio app, is very good. So I thought by learning Android development from you, I can make like that app. Actually, that is from Flutter. So I thought by using Android, I can make my portfolio app.
Good. Very good, Abhishek. So one last question: do you have any prior experience or any programming language like Java and Kotlin?
No, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Abhishek.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, and Abhilasha? Hi, can you hear us? In the meanwhile, if anybody has left or you want to say anything, please do speak. Okay. Atul, please note down there is someone else with the same name, so we should.
Yeah.
take care of it.
Yeah. Hey, Batsal, second Batsal. Yeah.
Okay, no
Good
issue.
morning, sir.
Okay, who is she?
Sir, actually, currently, I myself Atul only, and I am currently a fresher in Night Jammu, and I am currently pursuing CSE AIML from there. And right now, I have basic knowledge of Python, HTML, and CSS. And currently, I am learning C language. As I am interested more in graphic development, in web development, I have opted for. And I am interested in graphics, so I am looking forward to learn web design and database management.
Okay. So Atul, please
Okay,
note
Batsal.
down
Batsal.
her name as well in the list.
Yeah, Batsal, can you please tell me your full name actually?
So actually in documents it's Vatsal only. So
Okay. So I think, can you please share your LinkedIn profile? So, sure. Everyone, I request everyone to share your LinkedIn profile in the chat so that we can connect with all of you.
That it will be easier for us to connect with you via LinkedIn fast.
Okay, so I think we should wrap this session. Please do share your LinkedIn profile in the session. So thank you everyone joining us. After this session, we will shortlisting your resume and your profile on the basis of your performance, and we will shortly. So if you have any doubt, anything else you want to ask.
Hello, sir. I have a question.
Right.
Like, what exactly is there any structured path you will be teaching, or it is a one-on-one basis? Like, whatever I want to build, you can just guide me in that direction.
Okay. So specifically, if you're talking about the guidance, then we have a planned a kind of a web and Android tech stack for developing a portal for the community, right? It is a kind of web application as well as Android application. So both will work correspondingly dependent on each other. So those who work on web will work on the web part, and those who are interested in Android will work on Android. So apart from that, we will have a curated content from you, right? In each weekly, or I think we will be mentoring you weekly on the Saturday and Sunday morning or evening about the program, and we do have a list of tasks for you for each week. And during that week, if you have any doubt regarding any task, you can just feel free to ask us in the WhatsApp, or if you need a one-to-one mentorship, then we will be available with you. So that's the about a main part of this program. So I hope I have cleared you doubt.
Okay. Actually,
Yeah, please.
Actually, आपका आवाज बहुत कट रहा था. So what I got is कि there will be an Android app और एक website होगी और like they will be connected. Did I hear it right?
Okay, so I got your point.
Yes, yeah, boss.
Okay.
और ये जो
Okay, and what will be the tech stack
for which
for
app?
web? For web.
Okay, Atul will be the right person.
So, Barsal, as everyone is fresher now, so we are going to start with just basic HTML, CSS, so everyone can work on that.
Okay.
And for backend, if someone can work on backend, we will ask from our team only. Other else, backend we are going to develop by ourselves only, and we will provide you the API, and you have to just fetch that data from there and show. And that API is going to work with both Android and forward web. And once actually we shortlist everyone, we are going to give you a proper plan how we are going to develop everything.
Okay. So the last doubt. So actually, I'm not interested in front end at all. मुझे सिर्फ बैक एंड में ही जाना है. तो मतलब API वगैरह मतलब
हम लोग बना सकते हैं क्या?
Yeah, sure,
क्योंकि
sure.
HTML CSS में like everyone is doing that ना.
Yeah.
तो
Yeah, but sure. We can work on that.
okay, fine. Thank you.
Thank you, Vishtal, for sharing your point of view. It was great to talk with you, so that we get idea how the expectation from us. Okay, so anything else? Atul, you?
Yes, sir. Any question?
Yes, Abhilasha. Hi, Abhilasha.
सर अभिनंदन सर, मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे है.
Okay.
सर एक्चुअल में आप एंड्रॉयड डेवलपमेंट सिखा रहे हैं, तो आप उसमें सिर्फ एंड्रॉयड सिखाएंगे या पूरी डेवलपमेंट जैसे जावा XML मतलब पूरा उसका?
वेल ये बेसिक कोर्स है. स्टार्ट हम विद द बेसिक्स करेंगे जैसे एंड्रॉयड में हम करते हैं. अभी जितना हमें रिव्यू लिए मोस्टली स्टूडेंट फेमिलियर है जावा के साथ, तो मे बी फर्स्ट वीक पे हम थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेस करेंगे जावा के इंट्रोडक्शन की, क्या जावा कैसी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज एंड हाउ यू कैन बिल्ड एप्लीकेशन ऑन दैट, एंड देन वी स्लोली मूव फॉरवर्ड टू द Kotlin part as well. And we will start in a weekly session, so don't worry about the how complex that will be. We will do make it as simple as possible for each one, so that each one can contribute in this application.
Okay sir, thank you sir.
Okay, thank you. And
Abhinandan, one of my questions is that everyone in this meet has registered now. Is there anyone who has not registered and joined this meet?
Registered, sir. Registered.
If you have not registered, just raise your hand. If you have not registered, even you have given your inputs, we are not going to accept your. If you have not, just raise your hand.
So I think most of the.
I think everyone has.
That's good.
Yeah.
Okay, so before the closing session, Atul, do you want to say something?
Yeah, just let's learn together and develop something for the community.
Okay.
And thank you everyone for showing such interest in our program.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Let's build something together. Okay.
Yeah.
Bye, everyone. Bye.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Bye.
Bye.